How to fix Disney Plus error code 28. Here are some tips that would fix Disney Plus error code 28. 1. Try streaming a different video. If it worked, try these extra steps: exit the Disney Plus app, and rerun TH app later. Power off your device, modem and/or router. Check your internet connection. Try streaming the problematic video. Playback on a different device. If the error 28 continues, contact your internet service provider for more information, if needed. Update your device operating. System. Clear the cached data on your device. Remove and reinstall Disney. Plus app. Ensure all system requirements/components support high bandwidth digital content, including HDMI cables, and external displays should support HDCP 2.2 for 4K Ultra HD and HDR content. Note: older audio and video components can have an impact on quality and possibly prevent playback entirely. 2. Ensure you're not using any VPN app. If yes, disconnect your PC from the VPN server. 3. Check on Disney server status.